Good morning, sweetheart. Time to wake up.
Ugh, good morning, Mom. Just 5 more minutes.
Come on, sleepyhead. You'll be late for school.
Okay. I'm getting up.
Breakfast is ready. Come and sit down.
Pancakes again. My favorite.
I know. That's why I made extra today.
Yay! Can I have two, please?
2? You're growing so fast. Sure, here you go.
Thanks, Mom. They look delicious.
And don't forget your orange juice. It's fresh.
I love orange juice. It makes me feel awake.
That's because it's full of vitamins.
Can I have some syrup too?
Okay, but just a little. We don't want too much sugar.
I promise, just a tiny bit.
Good boy. Now eat slowly and enjoy.
Okay. This is so good.
I'm glad you like it, sweetheart. Don't forget to brush the back teeth, too.
Okay, Mom, they're sparkling clean.
That's my boy. Now your smile's ready for the day. There you go. All set for school?
Yep, I've got my homework and my lunch.
Perfect. You're ready to shine today.
Thanks, Mom.
Remember, you can do anything you set your mind to.
I'll try my best.
That's my brave boy. I believe in you.
Thanks, Mom.
And don't forget to smile. It makes the day brighter.